Okay, here's inside the boat. I've got my bed there. Still got to do the carpeting under there. That is where my clothes go. I'm having a curtain put there. There's the sink, cupboards, cooker on the shelf. Got the toilet in the cupboard. I've made a little dinette, as you can see. Yesterday I was putting that trim around the floor just to hold the flooring down, just to finish it off a bit. Just got the step to do there. Bit of a work in progress at the moment, but yeah, this is inside. Got everything I need anyway, so not too bad.